My name is JJ. My profession, at the moment, I'm in sales and marketing. I'm looking to get out of that to do property full time.
And tell me about this week and the experience of Samuel Leeds training.
It is this week. It's an experience like no other. You know, the mentorship, the support you get from everyone. You don't find that anywhere else. It's definitely life changing for me and my partner. And yeah,
Amazing. And what do you think of Samuel specifically and his team?
say that again. Sorry.
Samuel specifically and the team that he's joining.
They definitely care about you as an individual and they want to make a difference for you. And it's not something that it's not an event that you come to and you go back and you forget about it. No, it's one way where you do remember it. And they look at whatever situation you are, whatever background you come from, wherever you are at life, they look at your situation at the moment and they work with you based on what you have, at that moment in time, basically. So, yeah, very helpful.
What made you get into property?
What made me get into property? I was kind of scrolling through Instagram and then I just looked at property things and I was like, you know what, this looks interesting. And also mainly to be financially free. Now, don't get me wrong, I did this the wrong way. Obviously, a year ago when I did my first rent to rent, this was before I joined Samuel Leeds, before I watched Samuel Leeds videos, and I screwed up big time. So, yeah, so I think for anyone that does want to do property, that does want to be financially free, do it the right way. Follow property mentors such as Samuel Leeds, or anyone that has done it before. And yeah, you should be fine.
So what's the next step for you?
Next step for me is well, I've come here with a plan basically, which is to sell a bunch of deals that I went to view with my partner. The next step for me is to just sell as many deals as we can, make as much money as we can in the next 2 weeks, and then quit my 9 to 5 job. Basically, that's my very next step. Yeah.
Lovely. And what final question? What would you say to someone looking to get into property?
Definitely do your research, do your own research, do your own due diligence, ask friends, ask those that have done it. Don't listen to people that haven't done it before because I was once in an Uber. Like in an Uber, and the Uber driver was on about like how all these property gurus, they're all just a bunch of scammers and all that. But listen to someone that has done it before and take it from them, you know. But at the end of the day, form your own opinion before you listen to other people's.